Hello, it's Krzysiu. This will be a very short tutorial. When you draw polygons or stars, it's hard to get it even from the start. I mean, even as not rotated straight. Let's see, it's not good really. So one thing we can do is to hold Control, and now we have rotation every x 15 degrees in my case. This can be set up. And the other much harder method, but it can be done after drawing, is to draw and now edit XML editor and reset the SODI argument number 1, 0, and it's even now. But if you will rotate it by yourself, and let's reset it, it's not okay because we have a new argument here, transform. So let's delete it, and now we have it all done. So in this way you can change the rotation after you draw. Thank you very much, goodbye. If you can subscribe to my channel, it helps me a lot. Bye.